Hello YouTube, this is my new TC3 unboxing video. Team Associate, ready to run, TC3, 2-speed. They come in two colors. The black one, which I have, and the white one. I kind of pre-opened it already so we can fast forward a little bit, move a little bit faster. This was the original price, but now it's called kind of old. It's going for like $330. This is a very good car. Many hop-ups. As you can see, 2-speed transmission. Other little things that have suspension, battery, of course, the pipe. There you go, the actual car setup. Controller, things that come with the controller, which I'm definitely going to get another one, 2.4. Alright, let's open her up. Fuel bottle, Team Associated. Low uniter, battery pack, bunch of Allen keys, a couple clips for the shocks, adjust your suspension. Pretty much. Right. Manual book. Couple stickers. Let's get back to the car. Pretty nice. Definitely nice. Let me see this for the antenna. So it come with 27 hertz, which be right at 2.4 on there. The body, nice. Look like a, I don't know what it look like, a Celica. Engine's a .15 if I'm not mistaken. Battery tray. Tires is nice. Pull start. It's not a tune pipe, I don't think. Kinda already got me a tune pipe. Sit right there. I'm gonna throw me a OS TZ in here. Definitely want to throw OS TZ in here. Let me get to opening this. Try to do everything, just hold the camera. Well, I'll make this part one. I'll make another part.